Hi all, today's topic is Green's theorem. The formula for Green's theorem, single integral m dx plus n dy equal to double integral over dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dx dy. Verify Green's theorem, so we have to do both only. In a plane, some equation has been given. You check the equation, single integral m is given in the question dx plus n, this is m, this is n. We have to take it separate and write. And dy is given in the question where c is a square with the vertex p is 0, 0 and q is 1, 0, r is 1, 1 and s is 0, 1. So it is plotted here 0, 0 its origin. So this is it's mentioned to be p. Q is nothing but 1, 0. This is q. Okay. Then r it is mentioned r is 1, 1. And yes, it's mentioned 0, 1. So P, Q, R, yes, it is mentioned. The arrow mark anti-clockwise direction from here, then from here, from here. So the full region is this the way. First, we have to do right hand side. M and N are given. Okay, so M and N we have to write separate. M is nothing but x squared plus 2xy. N y squared plus x cube y. So dou m by dou y, dou n by dou x. So y differentiate. Y when I differentiate this, x squared is 0. Y only we have to differentiate. 2x is constant. Y when I do it, it's 1 only. In this with respect to x I have to do y squared is 0. So x when I do y is constant. X cube is nothing but 3x squared y. Next step, subtract dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. Subtract it. The first term this minus this. Don't forget to write minus symbol. 3x squared y minus 2x. So completed. Now we have to do double integration. The limits are very easy. Right hand side part I am going to do. So right hand side. First we need to write the formula first. So what is the formula? So it's double integral over dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx or dy or dx, anything. Okay, so it's double integral over 3x squared y minus 2x into dx dy. Okay, x limit or y limit x limit. Now I'll write x limit itself. The outermost I will write y limit. It's not wrong. Inside y limit and then outside x limit. Whichever you can write it. X limit. When you see the x limit always strip from a horizontal. This is our strip. What is our x limit? This is the strip. Okay. So how it goes? From a 0 to 1. Okay. So x limit is 0 to 1. Same way vertical strip. When it is for a y limit, when you see vertical strip. So vertical strip also be when we see 0 to again it is 1 only. So both the limits are 0 to 1 because all the limits are given values only we have means we will not have a variable at all. Upper limit we will not have variable. When equation is given only we will have a variable. Okay. So both are 0 to 1. Double time integrated you get one answer. That is the right hand side. So now I will show you the calculation part. So double time integration. So 0 to 1. First I will do it with respect to x first. So 3x cube y as it is by 3 minus 2x squared divided by 2, 0 to 1 dy. So 2 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled. We have to substitute it for which? Only for x. One is for only x. We have to substitute it. So answer will be y x when I substitute it, y minus 1 I will get into dy. So again integrate it. When I integrate it, so it's nothing but y square divided by 2 minus y. So again substitute 0 to 1. When I substitute it, I will be getting 1 by 2 minus 1. So minus 1 by 2. My right hand side answer, I will be getting minus 1 by 2. Okay. So now we have to do left hand side. Left hand side is nothing but single integral. Single integral means area we need to calculate. Single integral along PQ, along QR, along RS, along SP. When I complete one, the full region will be completed for a single integral. So that all the four cases add, separate, add all the four integration answer. You will get one final answer that should be minus half. Okay. Now I'll show you the left hand side part. I'll use some other color. Our left hand side, LHS. So it's nothing but single integral m dx plus n dy is nothing but along PQ plus along QR. It should be followed anti-clockwise. Okay. So direction. Okay. Along RS plus along SP. Okay. So when you do this, limit what we have to take when you take PQ. Okay, check in the diagram. PQ when we take, we know that this is nothing but PQ when you take commonly y equal to 0. Okay. When you take QR, QR when I take both are 1. So x equal to 1. When we take RS when we take y equal to 1 commonly. When we take SP, so x equal to 0. This you know it from the points. How I have written this you may ask. It's nothing but you check here. The points x comma y no 0. Here also 0. Both are same point. I can light that line to be that is the equation y equal to 0. Same way in this you check when q and r you check. So 1 1 in x. So x equal to 1. That is the way we calculate it. So now I know y equal to 0 along this. So that I need to substitute. Along PQ, it's nothing but y equal to 0. So dy equal to 0. Same way along QR, already I told x equal to 1. So dx equal to 0. So same way along RS is nothing but y equal to 1. So dy equal to 0. Same way x equal to 0, dx equal to 0. So then I have to it is y substitution means x limit. So x limit, how to write? Same way here, x we are going to substitute, it's a y limit. Same way along RS, we are going to substitute y equal to 1. Y equal to 1, we have to write x limit. Same way here, y limit. So what is that limit? I will write it. From the diagram only we have to write it. I will use some other color so that you can easily understand. See here, along now, limit, how to find? Along PQ. PQ means, see here, this is PQ. Correct? No, this is PQ. So PQ, when we see the limit, you have to take x. X limit, how we have to take means, always x limit means horizontal straight. From here to here. Here to here means 0 to 1. So limit will be 0 to 1. Limit is 0 to 1. Same way, when you do for QR, the strip is from down to up. Okay, ma. Strip is from down to up. This. Okay. So down to up means it is a vertical strip. From down to up. So it is also 0 to 1. No change at all because down to 1. So it is 0 to 1. So limit is 0 to 1. But when you see for RS you check, diagram RS you check, RS when you use, I will use some other highlighter, yellow color I will use. See here, when I use RS, this is RS. How it's going, direction you check from right to left. So 1 to 0. My limit is 1 to 0. 1 to 0. Okay, 1 to 0 is the limit. Same way, y limit for SP. SP you check. Some other highlighter I will use. Now you check XP from top to down it's coming. Correct? Top to, like this. From a top to down it's coming. Okay. So it's coming, the direction is from top to down. 1, 2, 0. The limit also, it is nothing but 1, 2, 0. 1, 2, 0. So all the limit now you know. You have to do it in a single line or separate also you can do it. Okay. So now I will do it in a single line so it is easy for my calculation purpose. So I will show you. Our question was m dx and m dy is nothing but the full question you have to write it. You should not omit anything. So it's single integral over x squared plus 2xy into dx plus y squared plus x cube y dy. This is our original question given in the problem. So in this question, first I will do along PQ. Okay, PQ means dy equal to 0 and dy equal to 0 in this. Y equal to 0 and dy 0 means this fully 0. In this y also 0. So this term also will go. So limit is 0 to 1. It's nothing but x squared dx. Only this term I have. Plus limit 0 to 1. This is y limit. This is x limit. Okay. In this every term it will be in terms of y. Okay, x equal to 1 we have to put. X equal to 1 means 1. Okay, dx is 0. So full term 0 anyway. Only in this I have to substitute. Y squared as it is. X is 1. So y squared plus y into dy plus, now in this limit 1 to 0, x is from 1 to 0. So when I substitute y equal to 1, I have substitute dy is 0. gy 0 means this fully 0. Y is 1. So y is 1 means x squared plus 2x into dx. Okay, same way last limit y equal to 1 to 0. So in this dx is 0, fully 0. X also 0, this fully 0. So y squared dy. So it's easy, no? In single line itself everything you can write. Now integrate it. X cube by 3. So 0 to 1 plus y cube by 3 plus y squared by 2. 0 to 1 plus next x cube by 3 plus 2x squared by 2. 1 to 0 plus y cube by 3. 1 to 0. So substitute 1 to 0 means 1 by 3 plus in this when I substitute again 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. In this when I substitute minus of lower limit. You have to remember that minus 1 by 3 2 get cancelled. So minus 1. In this when I substitute minus 1 by 3. How many minus 1 by 3? This 1 by 3, this 1 by 3 get cancelled. 1 by 2 minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So, my left hand side answer is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Already my right hand side answer minus 1 by 2. So, both are same. We are verified. Hence verified. So, this is the way we have to do it. Verified. If it is asked only evaluate means any one is enough. Okay. Which is convenient for you that we can do it. Thank you.